Hello, this is Jim with Land Cruiser Restorations. We have a 1989 FJ62 done in Dodge Destroyer Gray. It is currently available for sale at Land Cruiser Restorations. Give me a call at 316-992-5986. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's got a Chevy 5.3 V8 Vortec engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It has all new suspension, Old Man Emu, shocks, steering stabilizer. Both drive shafts have been cut and balanced, exhaust, headers, full undercarriage treatment, 8,000 pound Warren winch, onboard air compressor. It also has a long range fuel cell and an AluCab rooftop tent, which has a USB connection and lighting in it as well. Again, this cruiser is for sale. Give me a shout at 316-992-5986 or visit our website. On the home page at the top is a link to our YouTube channel. We've got about 100 videos on YouTube. If you're interested in this cruiser or any other cruiser we have for sale, or if you'd like to have a custom build, give me a shout at 316-992-5986 so we can discuss exactly what your needs are for a custom built cruiser.